How's it going, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Richie Blue. Y'all hear homie on the street bumping like crazy on Pacific, on that Atlantic City street, son. That's how it be. That's how it be. Let's try to get. Welcome back to the channel, gang. And you know what I got? You know I got an open box video for you. And this is a very interesting fragrance with a very interesting name as well by Paris Corners, Reiaaqat. It's gonna be very interesting. I'll see you in a second, gang. Thanks, gang, for coming back to my channel, Richie Blue's Fragrance Collection. And we got another one to add to the collection. Paris Corners, Reiaaqat. Yes, that's the name. I know it sounds very crazy, but that's the name. And it's an inspired fragrance by YSL's Babycat fragrance. And Babycat fragrance has a big price tag on it. I believe it's like $400, $500 if you can even find it. So instead of trying to get that one that's exclusive, we're gonna go ahead and try this inspired fragrance by Reiaaqat. So again, let's go ahead and get it open. Let's see what we got over there. Oh, wow. Got it open. Oh, it even got the notes on the back, gang. Got some notes on the back. We're gonna fill those in. We're gonna show those on the screen. The EDP 85 mil. That's very interesting. Ounce. Village. Oh, there we go. Get this up out of here. Okay. Oh, I like this bottle, gang. I like the bottle. Very classy. Very classy bottle. I like that. Very. Yeah, gang, this is a very nice bottle. I like this. And this fragrance is supposed to be a very great vanilla scent. So we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and get to the whip. Let me find out where the other mine's. Okay, there we go. Turn it around. So I'm gonna be spraying my fingers. Okay, here we go. Here we go, man. Let me get my little John. Okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. Try to get that. What we got here, gang? What we got here? I like this. This smells good, though. Try to get that vanilla. Is that vanilla I smell? Oh wow, this is good. I like it. It gets very classy smell right here. Okay, here, you know what? Let me see if I get it. If it smells better on the skin. Let's get the skin. Hit this. Oh wow, my bad. Oh, hit that all jacked up. Okay, let me let it air out a little bit right here. So it has notes of vanilla, and that's what this mainly is. But we're going to throw up the note breakdown on the screen real quick. Top notes of Elemi, pink pepper, black pepper. Middle notes of Saffron, Olibanum. Oh, that's hard to pronounce. And base notes of vanilla and cedarwood. Yeah. Okay, gang. I'm starting to really smell that vanilla up in there. And you know what? This right here, I believe, I know, this is my very first vanilla fragrance right here. And it's very, you know, it's interesting when you get a note for the first time. You're trying to break it down and understand it and see how it'll vibe with you or if it won't vibe with you. And this here smells very sophisticated. It's something that you're not gonna wear on you every day. This is when you get suited and booted, when you get super fly and elegant. This is what you're gonna be rocking. Right here, yeah, because I can get that, I can get a cedarwood, and I can get that vanilla. That vanilla is starting to come through with it, and then come through for me right now. That vanilla is starting to come through for me. And for a vanilla fragrance in my first one, I dig it. I dig it. You definitely can't rock this every day. This is a fragrance that you're gonna rock during those cool winter months when you're dressing up, you're going out with the lady or your friend or you know, something that's very intimate but classy as well. This is when you want to rock this. Yeah, because it's not going to kick you in the face. It's not going to give you that Bruce Lee to Chuck Norris, bow, you know. It's not going to be like that. But it's just going to sit there, and it's going to linger, and it's going to be there, and it's going to give you that good sillage right there. Okay, yeah, this is good. Now, this right, also I've heard that with the Middle Eastern type fragrances, when they start the maturation process, meaning when you spray the bottle and the seal is broken, and now it sits around for a little while and it starts to mature, it gets even better. And if it gets better than this, that vanilla is very good in there now. I gotta start to get that vanilla. Ooh, okay, gang. This is a good buy right here. I like this, and you're not gonna have to worry about spending that $500 price tag. You can get this boy right here, for about $40. $40 on the discounters. It's well worth it, gang. This is one of the ones that you definitely not gonna have if you rock it. I can guarantee you that when you rock this right here on that date, she is never gonna have something. This here is very unique. When you're around that special someone and they start to snuggle up against you, they get close and they can smell the scent on you, there's gonna be something that they never smelled before. This is something that's gonna be very unique right here. And as I like to say, it's gonna be a separator. It's gonna separate you from everybody else because you're gonna have that unique scent, that unique smell on you. And gang, they always talk about panty droppers and all that other stuff. It's not that they actually make the woman want to drop her panties, but what it does, it gives you that extra push. It gives you that extra nudge, helps to relax it, and you know what happens when we get relaxed. I might be going a little bit off on a tangent here. I ain't got no structure on this particular video right now. But gang, this here is definitely adding to the collection approved. Wow, and this is a great looking bottle too. Got some nice heft to it. I like this, gang. I think I've been talking a little bit too long. Let's get up out of here. Okay, gang, so we're about to wrap this video up. So, is it worth adding to your collection? At $40, $50, absolutely is. It's a game changer, it's a difference maker. Especially for those classy events that you have coming up. Nobody at that event is gonna smell like you. You're gonna smell classy with this great vanilla fragrance right here. Also, gang, if you like what you're getting here from Richie Blue in my collection, drop a subscribe. If you was entertained or liked the video, drop a like. And if you have Reiaaqat, also comment down below, tell me how you're enjoying the Paris Quarters fragrance Reiaaqat. Until then, gang, make sure you always smell good. Till next time, frag out. Reiaaqat.